National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County in east central Kansas.
As always, don't you go nowhere.
It's hard to be self-confident when you've got, a face full of zits. I actually suffered and still continue to suffer from acne.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Cuyahoga County. This includes the city of Cleveland, Lake County. This includes the city of Painesville until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles north of Cleveland, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Cleveland Heights, Euclid, East Lake, Willoughby, Montour, Perry, and Madison.
No more acne.
One solution, so many amazing results. That's why